Welcome to Beautyistic, the channel where we bring you the latest product reviews with an expert touch. Today, we're taking a closer look at the BAGSMART Toiletry Bag for Men, a practical and stylish solution for keeping your travel essentials organized. Whether you're heading out on a weekend getaway or a long business trip, this toiletry bag aims to meet all your needs. Let's dive into the details. The BAGSMART Toiletry Bag is designed with functionality in mind. Available in two sizes, medium and large, it provides ample space for your toiletries and accessories. The medium size measures 10.6 inches in length, 3.9 inches in width, and 6.7 inches in height, while the large version offers more room with dimensions of 12.2 inches by 5.5 inches by 7.5 inches. This bag is built to keep all your essential items neatly organized during travel. Made from durable canvas, it features a water-resistant exterior, ensuring your items stay protected from splashes. One of the standout features of this toiletry bag is its elastic band design, which helps to keep everything in place. No more digging around for your razor or toothbrush. Everything stays organized and easy to find. Additionally, the bag includes two zippered compartments, a waterproof PVC zipper pocket on the back for wet items, and a full open zipper pocket in the front for smaller items. Inside, you'll find elastic bands and mesh zipper pockets, perfect for securing toiletries like toothbrushes, razors, or an electric trimmer. During my real-world testing, I found this toiletry bag to be quite versatile. Packing it was a breeze, and I appreciated the thoughtful design, especially the dry-wet separation feature. The waterproof pocket is ideal for items like razors or small bottles of skincare products that might leak. I was also impressed with the sturdy leather handle, which makes it easy to carry or hang when needed. However, there is one area where the bag could improve. The size may be a bit compact for those who prefer to carry larger bottles or a wider variety of toiletries. Now let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, the build quality is excellent for the price. Sturdy canvas construction and water-resistant materials make it a reliable companion for travel. The organization is top-notch, with multiple compartments and elastic bands keeping everything secure and accessible. It's versatile enough for a variety of travel situations, from quick weekend trips to longer vacations. However, the medium size may not accommodate travelers who need to pack larger or bulkier items. If you're someone who travels with full-size shampoo bottles or skincare products, the space may feel a bit tight. Additionally, while the bag is well designed, it's still a toiletry organizer, meaning it may not hold up to heavy-duty packing, like for camping or long stays with multiple people. Value for money is definitely present here. The BAGSMART Toiletry Bag offers a lot of organization features for its price point. While it's not the cheapest option on the market, the quality of materials and thoughtful design make it worth considering for anyone who frequently travels. If you're willing to spend a little more, the BAGSMART delivers reliable performance for keeping your toiletries in order. When compared to similar products, it holds its ground. Brands like Herschel and Nomadic offer similar bags, but often at a higher price point for the same features. While the BAGSMART may not have the same luxury feel as some high-end options, it competes well with others in its category, especially considering the functional design and water-resistant build. The build quality is solid, constructed with high-quality canvas and reinforced with elastic bands and leather accents. After using it for several trips, there has been no noticeable wear and tear, so I'd say it's built to last through normal travel use. That said, it's important to keep in mind that it's not meant to withstand rough handling or extreme conditions. As for customer support, I didn't need to interact with the company, but the BAGSMART brand is known for offering reliable customer service based on reviews from other users. It's always reassuring when a brand offers responsive support, even if you don't need it right away. If you're in search of alternatives, you might want to check out the Shaving Kit Dopp Bag by Como C. It's similarly priced and also offers great organizational features. However, the BAGSMART has a slight edge in terms of its more compact design and water-resistant features. To wrap things up, the BAGSMART Toiletry Bag for Men is a solid choice for travelers looking for a well-organized, reliable, and affordable toiletry kit. It might not be perfect for those with larger items to pack, but it excels in its functionality, quality materials, and thoughtful design. If you're looking for a travel companion that keeps your essentials in place without breaking the bank, this is a solid option. Before I sign off, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more travel tips and reviews right here on Beautyistic. If you already own this toiletry bag or have any thoughts, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for watching, and remember, travel light and travel smart. Till next time, keep it beautiful with Beautyistic.